Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we have got an amazing topic for you, that is the anatomy of the leaf. This is an amazing topic and a very basic topic of the botany, the study of the plants. So let's get into it. Hopefully it will get clear to you guys after the end of the video, and I have just made it simplified for you guys, and I've covered a lot of uh, points related to it. So let's get into it. Okay, so here I've got one is like animated diagram while other is hand drawn, so that you get comparison between the both and all that you get clear by all the way. So first of all, we'll be comparing both and all the things are same. Okay, so first of all, in a leaf, this is a cut section of a leaf. For suppose if you are having if you are having a leaf, if you are having a leaf like this, and uh, you cut the leaf into you cannot peel the leaf. I want to say that the leaf is very thin, you cannot peel it up, but you know you will cut it off from here. Take a scissor and cut it off from here. Now you will see that from here you will get some piece like this, and there is a very thin part like this as well, right? The lower part and the upper part, the dorsal part and the ventral part. This would be the dorsal, this will be ventral, right? So just get the concept. Okay, so yes, where were we? We are first of all talking about a cuticle. The cuticle is the uppermost covering of the cell, sorry, the leaf of a plant, and that is a protective covering that protects it, and it is you know protecting from the sunlight and all that stuff. So yes, cuticle is the uppermost layer, and the next thing we have got is the upper epidermis. Next thing is upper epidermis. Epidermis are the epidermal cells. uh, Remember this, that the uh, you know the upper epidermis is made up of packed or tightly packed uh, epidermal cells. uh, Remember this, that the upper epidermis is also called adaxial epidermis. I'm mentioning again, this is very important. The MCQs, in MCQs can come that uh, tell us about the upper epidermis, or it can state adaxial epidermis. We've got other names as well, adaxial epidermis or uh, dorsal epidermis. Dorsal epidermis, because this is on the dorsal side, right? The dorsal epidermis. So yes, this is packed, and the upper part, uppermost, uh, after cuticle, it is present, and this is made up of the epidermal cells. uh, mm, yes, epidermis means this is the uppermost layer, we can say. Like epidermis, dermis means layer and epi means uppermost, so this is the uppermost cellular layer. Now we have got palisade mesophyll cells, so this is kind of made confusing over here. I'm getting on this side. Now if you see over here, we have got the palisade parenchyma. Palisade are the common column shaped. We have got the palisade parenchyma. Parenchyma are a type of cells. So we have got palisade parenchyma, and we have got the spongy parenchyma. What do you see the difference between the both? And the difference between the both is that the palisade parenchyma are tightly arranged, and they are on the upper side, while the spongy parenchyma are on the lower side, and they are not tightly arranged. They have got intercellular spaces. Okay, so if you add them up both, the palisade parenchyma and the spongy parenchyma, you will get mesophyll. Now meso here means middle, right? Here it means middle, and the fill means the leaf. Fill means the leaf, middle layer of the leaf. Like the palisade parenchyma and the spongy parenchyma are acting as the middle layer of the leaf, and uh, the spaces behind in the spongy parenchyma are because of the air passage and the water passage and all. So they are also something beneficial by the nature. Here we have got abaxial epidermis. Now I do hope that this image is clear. Like palisade mesophyll cells and the spongy mesophyll cells. We are done with it. This is our mesophyll layer. Now we have got the abaxial epidermis. Abaxial epidermis, uh, this is also called, over there it is also mentioned, maybe let me check it out. Yes, abaxial epidermis is also called the lower epidermis. uh, Abaxial epidermis is also called lower epidermis and the ventral epidermis. Writing just short forms to write them, ventral epidermis, right? So this is the lower part. The here the name states the ventral. Ventral means the downward. So yes, then we have got a space which passes through the abaxial epidermis, and this is acting as an air passageway for the leaf, and the air gets in and pass through the intercellular spaces which are present in the spongy parenchyma, right? This is how the system works. And maybe here we have got, in this picture we haven't got, but here we have got, you can see that this is an opening over here. So here the air gets, or majorly the CO2 gets in, and the respiration and the photosynthesis, passage of gases, exchange of gases takes place from this stroma. This is, if you can do see that this is present on the ventral side, the downward part of the leaf, because the transpiration takes place from here. And if it is on the upper side, so you will see that the water would be, and the gases will be uh, released into the atmosphere. They would not be conserved, and which these are precious, so that the stroma on the lower side, because they are precious and they need to be stored and conserved as much as possible. Now the bundle sheath extension, uh, you can see on this, between the what we say palisade parenchyma, between both palisade parenchyma we have got a tightly packed extension, that is the bundle sheath extension. Same here, we have got the bundle sheath extension on both sides, right? uh, yes, uh, this is made up of special cells, and uh, bundle sheath extension is like bundle sheath is present behind them into the center. uh, Here it is bundle sheath, and that is called the parenchymatomos. And here you're gonna see that the bundle sheath, a circular sheath is present, and in that sheath you will find the phloem, which are responsible, which are tissues which are responsible for the passage or the transportation of the food particles and the substance and all that, while the xylem are also present in the bundle sheath, which are responsible for the water transport and all that. So this is how the system works. uh, Here you're gonna see you have xylem and phloem. This is, uh, yes, this is, you're gonna see this. So this one is the layer which is the bundle sheath. The layer you see outward is the bundle sheath, and the one which are downward, they are called the phloem. Yes, I don't need to draw the arrow. The blue one, the downward, is the phloem, as the picture shows, and upper side is the xylem, right? uh, this is responsible. Xylem is for water and the phloem is for other substances. So I do hope that this is clear. This was a simple overview and anatomy of the leaf. It was basic one, but I hope that this has made you learn a lot. If you did learn something, do like the video. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.